Welcome to White Sands Energy Medicine. I'm your host, Liz Naughton. This channel is devoted to self healing and holistic medicine. And for those who aren't familiar with what holistic medicine is, it's really just taking a look at the entire person, mind, body, and spirit. So there'll definitely be something here for everyone. This channel also is going to be really good for fellow healers and practitioners. If you're looking for more tips and techniques to add into your toolkit, great for educators and being out in the field and bringing, especially if you're working with kids, bringing them back into center and balance. It'll probably make your day go a little bit easier. And this channel is also for people who are just simply curious about what in the heck is energy medicine. Just to give you a little bit of an idea of who I am a clinical practitioner in Eden Energy Medicine, a BSET free fast practitioner, and also an ad heart facilitator. So I've got a little bit of something for everyone, and that's just to name a few of the modalities that I have trained and practiced over the last couple of decades. And I'm just kind of cherry picking the best things that I think will really help you move forward into your journey into self healing. And I know that's going to mean something different for everyone. So, what I mean by self healing is just having an overall sense of well being, peace, coming from a center, and most importantly, being able to feel and give love. Gosh, that's something that I think we all could use a little bit more of. So, if you find something here that really resonates with you, please give me a thumbs up. If even better, if you will subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. And until I get to meet you in person, if that's meant to be, please know that you are loved and namaste.